How's this for an exciting exploration mission? This morning, the United Launch Alliance ULA's Atlas V launched NASA's Lucy spacecraft on its 12-year mission to study the Trojan asteroids. Lucy was launched atop the ULA Atlas V 401 rocket at 5:34 a.m. EDT on October 16, 2021 from Space Launch Complex 41 at Cape Canaveral Space Force Station in Florida.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Liftoff. Atlas V takes flight, sending Lucy to uncover the fossils of our solar system.
Tower clear. RD 180 propellant utilization has gone to closed loop control. The vehicle has begun the pitch yaw roll maneuver.
The Lucy mission will include 3 Earth gravity assists and visits to 8 asteroids. Lucy is the first mission to the Trojan asteroids. These primitive bodies hold vital clues to deciphering the history of our solar system. This will be the first time that we are able to see these objects up close. Let's talk a bit about Trojan asteroids. To understand what they are, we'll have to go back over 4 billion years when the newly formed solar system consisted of trillions of tiny little rocky icy objects. Many of these objects came together to form the planets. The majority of the others were scattered into the distant reaches of our solar system and beyond, but not all of them. Some of these leftover space rocks are pristine asteroids that now orbit with Jupiter in 2 huge clusters leading and trailing the planet. They are known as the Trojan asteroids. They are really mysterious. Astronomers think that they came from the outer solar system. They are also special in terms of understanding the evolution of the solar system because they have remained gravitationally stable for over billions of years. Astronomers have only been able to study these distant and enigmatic small bodies from Earth, but all of that is about to change thanks to Lucy. Time capsules from the birth of our solar system more than 4 billion years ago. The clusters of Trojan asteroids associated with Jupiter are thought to be remnants of the primordial material that formed the outer planets. The Trojans orbit the Sun in 2 loose groups, with one group leading ahead of Jupiter in its path, the other trailing behind. Clustered around the 2 Lagrange points equidistant from the Sun and Jupiter, the Trojans are stabilized by the Sun and its largest planet in a gravitational balancing act. These primitive bodies hold vital clues to deciphering the history of our solar system. NASA's Lucy mission has embarked on a 12-year journey to visit these primitive asteroids. The Lucy mission will revolutionize our knowledge of planetary origins and the formation of the solar system. With boosts from Earth's gravity, Lucy will complete a 12-year journey to 8 different asteroids, a main belt asteroid and 7 Trojans, 4 of which are members of binary systems. It will first fly by Earth twice to use our planet's gravity to hurl itself towards the Trojans. In 2025, Lucy will fly past the main belt asteroid Donald Johansen, which orbits in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. Lucy's complex path will take it to both clusters of Trojans and give us our first close-up view of all 3 major types of bodies in the swarms, so-called C, P, and D types. No other space mission in history has been launched to as many different destinations in independent orbits around the Sun. When the primary mission ends in 2033, hopefully Lucy will show us for the first time the diversity of the primordial bodies that built the planets. That's a wrap. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.